Hi guys, today we are learning how to reset your Letterboxd password without losing data. First, unlock your phone and open the Letterboxd app. Make sure you're connected to the internet before starting the process. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry because your account data will remain safe. Once the app opens, you're ready for the next step. Now on the sign-in screen, look for the Reset Password option. Tap on it to begin recovering access to your account. This option helps you create a new password without affecting your watch lists, reviews, or account activity. You'll be taken to the password recovery page. Next, type the email address linked to your Letterboxd account. Make sure you enter the correct email to receive the reset instructions. This is the email you originally used when creating your account. Double-check for any typing mistakes before continuing. After entering your email address, tap the Go button. Letterboxd will now send a password reset link to your inbox. This process only changes your password and does not delete your account data. Wait for the confirmation message to appear on the screen. Now open your email app and check your inbox. Look for the password reset email from Letterboxd. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the email once it arrives. Next, tap the Reset Password link inside the email. This will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that's easy for you to remember. Your account information will remain unchanged. Finally, enter your new password and confirm it in the required fields. Once done, save the changes to complete the process. You can now sign in using your new password while keeping all your reviews, lists, and account data intact. Your Letterboxd account is ready to use again. And that's how you can reset your Letterboxd password without losing any data. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.